is networking?
Networking is about sharing, not taking.
Networking is a great opportunity to exchange best practice knowledge.
It's all about exchanging advice from one another.
Your network can be an excellent source of new perspectives and ideas to help.
Develop long-lasting personal relationships.
Of course, the point of networking is to develop and nurture professional relationships.
It's about forming trust and helping one another toward goals.
Being visible and getting noticed is a big benefit of networking.
That's why Somali Community Youth invites you
To be part of something great.
Please come along and celebrate youth networking next week on Sunday, the 1st of September, 10 a.m. Remember, this event is only for youth. So, please join us to be part of something great.